today at the Bitcoin Blog Spot. The Bitcoin Blog Spot is an educational platform that focuses exclusively on Bitcoin, Bitcoin news, Bitcoin merch, Bitcoin conferences, Bitcoin everything. Go ahead and visit bitcoinblogspot.com and so make sure you like and subscribe. We've been doing this for a little while. We love Bitcoin and we actually are just going to focus specifically on that. So we're not going to go and get into the Elon Musk news, but we're going to go to the top of the day. We appreciate everybody coming along this morning. As we can see, today's date is February 2nd, Groundhog Day. Happy Groundhog Day to you believers out there. It's one thing that we are believers in Bitcoin, and as we can see here, the market cap is definitely sitting strong still at 649 billion. Like, who would have thought? And as you can see here, the price, as we've been still focusing on the first bull run in 2017, we're still comparing, and we can still see we're still in a bull run. Guys, always just zoom out so we can always stay focused on where we're at. Don't worry about the volatility. Things are moving along just great. First in the news, let's go ahead and get into it. The Winklevoss twins and their Bitcoin exchange, Gemini. It seems like they're pushing into having banking with a new savings product where you can get interest off holding on Gemini Earn. Gemini is adding a new service called Earn that lets clients move their holdings into Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies into interest-bearing accounts. Well, it seems like this is going to be a trend, and these guys are and always have been at the forefront and leading and having the torch at the beginning with the whole Bitcoin rally. So we'll see how that goes. We know that BlockFi does the same thing, and they give you 8.6% of interest that can be bared on your Bitcoin. So, I don't know the principle of it. I guess these guys are going to be regulated, and they are looking to follow the rules and still be the main source of this situation. It just seems like the Winklevoss, they see an area that can be tackled, and I wouldn't be surprised if they end up having an option to buy stocks within that platform soon. I believe that they are mad that Robinhood had a whole market. Like, to be honest with you, Robinhood, they had the exchange, they had the stocks, they have the bank where you can have the card. They just had it lovely, and they'd seen that the average person was going to take over. The only thing is the Winklevosses, they were always into institutional money. They always have been. They weren't too worried about retail. They left that off to Coinbase. We'll see what happens, guys. With Robinhood going public here soon, Coinbase going public, it just means for more and more public gaining attention and attraction. As we can see here, Michael Saylor just announced 39 minutes ago that they purchased another 10 million in Bitcoin. Let's not forget that at the beginning of this month, I believe tomorrow and the 4th, that Michael Saylor will be having his Corporations for Bitcoin conference. I believe it's a digital conference. I will not be attending it, but I'm sure we are all keeping our finger on the pulse to see what happens post his meeting. He's definitely been the next leader and innovator in guiding us to where Bitcoin is headed. Now, we already see here, things are definitely bullish, and they're going to continue to be bullish with Bitcoin. China's 500.com to purchase another 8.5 million worth of miners. Now, if you guys don't know, miners is what runs the Bitcoin network, and that which makes Bitcoin a very good store of value, which makes Bitcoin very secure. You have many nodes, many decentralized nodes, and people don't understand that. Facebook is centralized, YouTube centralized, the government centralized. This is the most decentralized form you can get. I mean, there's people from all over the world running these nodes from miners. Each one of these is a miner, so this network is just getting stronger and stronger and stronger, guys. And let's not forget that this company is mentioned and listed on the New York Stock Exchange under WBAI, their game company. So it's not going to get banned. The government is allowing people to continue to run these nodes and run the Bitcoin network. It's getting all over the place. I mean, here we have Yahoo Finance. Can Bitcoin be the next GameStop? Look here, guys. You better believe, the institutions are definitely scared right now because they know, believe you, they know that if these Wall Street bets guys start pumping money into Bitcoin all in the same breath while Bitcoin is becoming legal, especially in the United States and in other countries. It's becoming a more of an accepted form of currency here. You better believe if these Wall Street bets gets in and starts pumping this price, there's going to be a lot of institutions and investors mad. They are not going to want to pay that 100,000. They may, but I'm telling you what, this is very bullish. Especially with this whole movement of people versus Wall Street, people versus the high elite. You know, it's just like Max Kaiser said, guys. He says there's a couple things that's going to drive the price of Bitcoin. A, that's the halving, which just happened last year. We've had 3 halvings as of today. Now, the second thing is social injustice and social chaos. Now, the Wall Street's bets guys are a form of social revolution, and because they are mad at things, they want to get back and give it to the people. Once these people understand and see Bitcoin, and they see that these institutional investors and companies and corporations want to get in, if you don't own Bitcoin right now, your position is long USD, shitcoin, and short Bitcoin. Think of that for a moment. I'm telling you guys, it's a good time to get in. Elon Musk, as you can see, he's still promoting it, and he is by far the richest man on the planet. Surpassing Jeff Bezos. I mean, come on. Again, here it is, right in his Bitcoin. Now, why on earth would he be promoting Bitcoin to 48 million people? 44 million. It just doesn't make sense. I'm telling you guys, get in. Get in. I think that's all I got for today, guys. We'll stick with the price. We'll see how it goes. Keep your eyes, and all thoughts on the Bitcoin and see what is going on, because there is some things going on behind the scenes that we just don't know about. But here at the Bitcoin blog spot, I'm going to try to keep you guys as informed as possible. Everything that I learned, you guys are going to learn. If you can, it's only me doing it by myself for now. I don't have bloggers. It's just me. So if you can, go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel. Like or give us your comments of where you think we're going to go. Are you bullish on Bitcoin? Let us know. We appreciate it. I'm out.